everyone, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. Mother's Day is coming up. Are you ready with your gifts yet? You may say it's lockdown time, how are we going to buy gifts? Why do you always have to buy? Why can't you make one this time? So in today's video, I'll be showing you a very cute and simple gift idea for Mother's Day. So without wasting time, let's begin. Hello again, I hope you like the idea. So now coming to the member shout out. The first shout out goes to Auto Octopus, who has joined the VIP level of membership. Then comes Himanshu Gaur, who has joined the premium level. And then comes the classic level members, that is Shubha Margal, Joe Xavier, the Doctor, and then Abrix. Abrix also has a channel. If you all are interested in watching gaming walkthroughs, then do check out his channel. He has done more than 100 game walkthroughs until now. So I'm sure you'll love it if you all are into gaming. So do check his channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.